1, 2. And we'll get going with it to where we'll go pretty fast on the metronome, but just start slow. You'll be able to flow with that before you know it. We'll also put our footwork with it. Right? Put our footwork with it. There's even versions that we're doing short bridge, long bridge in it. More of a shorter range version of that would be not like that. There we go. Shorter bridge, long. Start with long though. Start with long. Bong Wu Tan Da. So what is the Bong Wu Tan Da? It is, you have intercepted something that couldn't get in to begin with. So the whole premise of the Bong Wu Tan Da is very, very applicable. You can see it also done on the dummy too. If I'm Bong Wu, right? Tan Da. Bong Wu Tan Da. Bong Wu Tan Da. You can add all kinds of different cool stuff to it just to, as you get better at it and you get more awareness of what you're doing, it'll grow. It'll grow. So, good. Bong Wu Tan Da.
Subscribe now so you don't miss out on more of these great Wing Chun lessons.